Ready?
Check out. You guys will not believe this hidden gem in East Village, Manhattan. Right next to NYU, we have Mala Project, which has been recommended on the Michelin Guide for New York City.
Like definitely, like we should work together. Like questions, and like the guy the clerks that interviewed me for the visa.
I had it at Kaki, Lower East Side. Forgot which street. Does this look like the one in the Okay, I had to at least eat the more expensive stuff.
For there's a disco ball in the basket.
Spicy. Turkish coffee, I guess. You want to try? How is it? Delicious. Wait, are you asking about the gelato or the bathroom? Either. Delicious. I'm gonna go up and down. Yeah.
Wow, so kind.
What do you think? Don't worry, I don't disappoint my cancer heritage. 3 diamonds in it.
Okay, director.
If we got the large one, we could do the pour.